now is the winter of our discontent.
Where's Dr. Caine?
Dr. Caine could not come. I'll take this.
What about my £200?
Dr. Caine didn't mention.
Perhaps you ought to take me to your leader.
Do you think I tried to twice cross you?
If you mean double cross, I think, yes.
Oh, how exciting. Do you want my fingerprints?
Listen, Dolly, where are we going?
My name is not Dolly. My name is Anya. And I'm taking you to Dr. Caine. You like my island?
Your island?
My father owns it.
Well, that must be nice for him.
He's a wonderful white old man with white hair. He lives alone, deep in the forest of Lapland. His one pleasure now is listening to his symphony orchestra, playing the music of Sibelius through the long winter. One day when he dies, this salon will be mine. Do you like it?
Very cozy.
Shall we go and explore it?
Would that be exciting? Would we find Dr. Caine on your island?
He lives there. But he can what? I will show you secret places I used to go as a girl. I will take you through the paths of the forest. I will teach you everything I know about my island.
Sounds nice.
But you must promise never to tell.
I promise.
Harry, you must not tell him about his very jealous.
Where is he?
He's in there.
I'll wait here, and you bring the money out.
Come.